ka owadhi ote mar kinde mag Pasaka, Archbishop makanisa ma Kopere mano Manyeri Anthony Muheri osiemo Jokenya kod josiasa mondo were gi timbe manyawo mibadhi kod chao chike matayo pachoka. Muheri ne loso kanyo tele Jadolo 200 kao singruok mar kedo mar tije dolo ka Muheri ojiwo ji mondo mi kik bed jo mibadhi. Kawach ni biro seche machuok kende bang' duol marango weche mibadhi EACC yango ne mibadhi osebedo achiel kuom gigo matayo mabende wacho ni go piny Kenya mangima.
I pray this Holy Week and this Easter we may recover the sense of goodness, doing good, and realize that sin must be avoided and uprooted. That's how Christ succeeds to conquer sin and death. Kenyans, we can live without corruption, but we can't call corruption goodness. Kenyans, we can live without lies. We can live without false praises. We can live without bringing our secular interests into our church and religion. Respect God and respect his places. This is my clarion call this Easter. Let us leave God away from our pettiness, and let us leave God's spaces and sacred spaces for him, and let our hands become clean again if we are Christians and if we believe in him.